Amazon just give away access to a tool that used to be exclusive for big brands and agencies, and it's going to change how you run your ads forever. I am talking about Amazon Marketing Cloud, or AMC. This is Amazon's most advanced analytic platform, and it helps to understand how actually your customer are interact with your ads, like sponsored products, sponsored brands, and DSP. In this video, I will show you what Amazon Marketing Cloud is and how you can utilize it to improve your ads performance. Amazon Marketing Cloud, or AMC, is the most advanced analytic platform for Amazon, and this used to be only accessed by bigger brand or agencies, because in your typical ad console you will only able to see CTR, CVR, ACOS, these types of metrics. But in AMC, you will able to see a full funnel customer journey, and you will know how your customer are interacting with your ads. And based on those data, you will able to improve your ads, and it will help you to convert more faster and easier. From now, every Amazon seller will able to access the data from Amazon Marketing Cloud by using their ad console. If you go into your Amazon ad console and you click on measurement and reporting, you will see an option called Amazon Marketing Cloud. If you click in the Amazon Marketing Cloud tab, it will open up a new window where you will see all the options that Amazon Marketing Cloud currently providing. Here you can see I have opened up the Amazon Marketing Cloud tab here, and here's some option, and then there's some insights they are showing here, like how the customer like buying journey work on Amazon, like streaming TV, display, video, audio, and then it end up with purchase. And then here you can see some use cases, because they will have a lots of use case in their Amazon Marketing Cloud. And here's like I have downloaded some test reporting, and it's something has created, some of them didn't created yet. So these are the recent project, and here in the top you will see all the options like use case, query editor, projects, audience, and paid features. The paid features is still in beta, so we'll talk about this in separate video. So for now, let's talk about how we can use the Amazon Marketing Cloud to improve our ad performance. So mainly you can go into the use case. So here in use case, you will see all the categories, like different use case by different category, and also they have different filter options. So you can filter your need based on your like optimization or data that you need. So for now, you can see these are the option right now that available, and here you can see you can put the favorite, so it will easier for you to sort it out. And the most interesting part is here you can use the no code version. So here you can see these are the use cases. There are very many use cases that you will not require any code, but for some advanced level of data you will need to use the query to pull out all the data. But even though Amazon already shared the full query, you just need to change in some part, and that will help you to get the data. So for now, the no code data, it's still very much usable for us. So for now, let's try up some of the use case to see how actually it's working. So for example, if I take high value audience solution, so this is option where we can see different segment view of audience. So for example, here you can see the customer I had like over 700k customers, but here purchased only 38,000, which is like around 5.39%. And I missed opportunity is like 680,000. So almost 95% customer I missed out. And here you can see a quick audience value. So for example, high value customer in top 30 percentile. So this customer composed 62% of my sales. Like total customer was 11,500 and audience size was like 11,300. And new to brand, here is how much total customer and what was the audience size. And then missed customer who add to cart but they didn't purchase. So these are very important metrics that will help you to understand like where my opportunities are missing, like where I can improve. You need to find out like why I am not getting the sales. Like they add to cart my item but they didn't end up purchasing it. And here you can see the different percentile of customer that purchase the product. So for example, here there was like 2,400 customer purchase around 14k, and here like 5 to 30 percentile customer they purchase around 86k. So here all those data you can see, like what was the audience size and total customer, total product sales, average product sales. Then if you check the missed opportunities, here you can see like branded search, there was like 600,000 branded search. And then detail page view was like 69,000. Add to cart was 14,000 but didn't purchase. So wish list, they insert my product in wish list but they didn't purchase. So you can see how like there were a very big amount of customer that I am missing for my brand. Like even a 1% improve in conversion here, it can like increase the sale a lot. So you can use this data to like implement some changes in your campaign, and then it can help you to like convert them into the sales. Let's see some different use case. The another use case is audience that added to your list or registry. Also most important one is audience that added to cart but did not purchase. So here you can see like I can choose my brand name, then I can select the country, then I can also put ASINs that I want to check, and then this can give me like proper data like audience that are added to cart but didn't purchase. So from the use cases you can select different types of category. Like for example, if I choose audience, it will only show audience related like data here, and then you can use them to get those data and make the changes in your advertising. Then you can go to analytics, and then you can see high value audience solution that we just seen here. Then another optimal frequency solution. So there are actually lots of use case you can do for your branding. So for example, in sponsor ads, I can see there's lots of option to use. So for example, there's not many of them are using without coding, but you can see here the code is very easier because it explains everything. So if I want to check this like creative assigns impact analysis, here you can see they have said everything, like what's the purpose of it, using it, requirements and data, query instructions. So here they have showing all how to like analyze the report also. And here you can see the query of that you can use to get the data. So here all those query you have. So for example, if I check any code related query, so for example here this net new reach by campaigns group, you can see they have said like purpose, how do this differ from new to brand customer, these types of explanation. And then you can see all the code they have already written out here. And here you can see they have said provide the following custom parameters. So they already said these are the custom parameter it will need. Rest of the code is already there. So you can directly click in open inquiry editor, and then you can just simply change and add those parameter into this code, and then it will just give you the report. So for example, it will take some time normally. As Amazon already said, it's a lots of data they need to work on, so you have to keep patient throughout the process. Interestingly, if you don't know how to code, you can just like scroll down, you can just copy this whole code, and then you can go to ChatGPT and you can provide this information and ask ChatGPT to finish up the code for you, and they will do it. And then you can copy and paste into like query editor and hit run for the report, and Amazon will give you all the data that related to this report. So as AMC is the most advanced analytical platform from Amazon, you can see here they have lots of data point, like lots of use cases, and there are like also custom query you can utilize, and they will add some paid features in upcoming days. So this will be a very big opportunity for you to utilize and understand your customer far more better way, so that you can utilize it properly, and you can like use those data to improve your campaign performance, and by using it you will able to reach much more new customer. So for example, if I show you one of the recent way to create the audience based campaign for Amazon, you will see how you can initially you start to utilize the AMC data to improve your ads performance. So for example, if I go to create campaign, and I can select like the Amazon and Amazon sponsored product, like they now have Amazon business option. So for example, I will create the campaign. Here you can see the new option called sites. So here you will show your ads. So for example, Amazon, including both Amazon and retail and business, Amazon business using B2B strategy. And if you scroll below, you will see here in the bid adjustment option, they have two options right now: placement and audience. In audience, you can select increase bids for audience built by Amazon, and here you can click and you can see the different audience option they started to implement, like for example, purchase brands product, then clicked or added brands product to cart, and high interest based on shopping history. So you can create different audience, and then you can target it, and you can just increase the percentage of bid adjustment, and then you can run the campaign. So this is one way it will help you to run the ads. So in upcoming days, Amazon will roll out many new features to utilize the AMC into regular campaign management in their ad consoles. So that's Amazon Marketing Cloud, or AMC, the most advanced analytic platform from Amazon. And you can see there are lots of use cases, and you can utilize this report to implement much more deeper data driven changes for your Amazon ad campaign. So in my future video, I will also share much more like information and use case for the Amazon AMC with your like current sponsored products campaigns. If you have any questions related to Amazon Marketing Cloud, you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. And if you don't want to miss the future AMC related video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for today. See you in the next video.